Welcome back guys. Now let's learn how we can add blog in this Wix website. So first go and click here, add apps. And search Wix blog. And add this yellow icon plugin, that is Wix blog. Click here, add. Now it's asking that whether you want just Wix blog or Wix blog with member area. So I'm selecting Wix blog. This is for actually community, and we are not going to use it. Similar to online publication and news site. So let's select this. Now guys, as you can see, this blog section is added, and I hope you have observed this also. As you can see, one additional section is created, that is blog. Now click write, and as you can see there are some options. Click here. Well, this is for a stretch. If you want to make this section stretched, click here, setting. And as you can see here is option to create a post, manage post. So we haven't created any post, so from here we can create a post. Here are some other options, like whether you want author name to be in the post, image, badge, and other stuffs. If you want, then you can add it, else don't, or you can just uncheck it. Let me show you. As you can see, this is like counter. Let's see. As you can see, this heart is invisible now. So if you uncheck it, then your blog section is not going to show likes. And here are multiple like comments, views, reading time, and all those things. And guys, from here you can change the menu option. Do you want to add blog section in menu? Yes. So I have toggled it on. Let's uncheck it. I don't want this login and sign up button. And search box, I'm enabling it. If you don't want it, then you can uncheck it. So if someone search anything over here, then if there is blog about it, then it is going to get in search result. So as you can see guys, here is layout option, and from here we can select tiled, side by side, magazine, or whatever you like. This is editorial. We have seen a lot of this type of section in news websites, break, postcard. You can choose whatever you like, full post. I'm letting it to tiled. You can customize this also, number of posts per load. If you have multiple posts and every post belong to different category, then you can use this option and you can create category for the post, as you can see from here. If you want it, then you can do. Guys, now see what this design section is. So this is to customize blog menu, and this is a post feed. Let me show you. As you can see, this color is changed, letting it to be black. And here is descriptions, and we can change its style and color and even font and font size. And here are multiple options. You can customize it however you want. Or if you have any problem, then you can read articles about common questions. This is add-ons. If you want to add something more, then you can be on this section. RSS feed, member page, and all those things. Let's go back. Now let's see how we can create a post. So first click here, create a post. And here, as you can see, I can add title and body. So let's write it. And here, as you can see, I can add title and body. So let's write it. Let's say this is my sample text. Well, this is just a demo, so I have created this. And let's click here, publish. Well guys, you can visit this section also to make your post SEO friendly. Make sure to add your keywords in whatever industry you are. And here, if you want to create category and you want your post to be in that category, then you can do it from here. And here you can add image to the post and publish date and author name. So let's publish it now. As you can see, this is created. Now let's go back. So I hope you have learned how to create a blog. Let me show you. From here, you can see your post. Well, it's here. So I hope you can create your own post now and your own blog in your Wix website.